We are looking at how to pronounce these words and more confusing vocabulary many mispronounce, so stay tuned to the channel to learn more, become part of the community. There are two different ways of pronouncing it, and it's not a British English versus American English or anything like this. There just are two different ways of pronouncing it in English. Probably the most common that you found referenced in many dictionaries is integral, with a stress on the first syllable. Integral. Now it is also correct to say it as integral, with a stress on the second syllable. That works also. It is also correct. Integral or integral. And now you know. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support and more videos for you here to learn more free, correct pronunciations. Thanks for watching.